You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the city in California. If we want to learn more names of famous places around Cali that sound confusing or look confusing, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up. It comes from Spanish, San Diego. San Diego, that's how you say it in Spanish. Diego is Spanish for James. Did you know that? Interesting. Okay, so it means Saint James. The English pronunciation is not San Diego, similar to Spanish, but the English pronunciation, San Diego. San Diego. San Diego, Southern California. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.